PM Janman Amadi DA Jaguagi Makada State Asigi Chingi District Singda Ana Layengi Tabakta Hena Kumang Choksin Naba Mobile Medical Unit Tara Hundoi Ngasi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Lamthakhre Lamphel Pata Leiba Directorate of Health Services ki Office Campus ta Pangthokiba Thoram Aduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan Health and Family Welfare gi Commissioner cum Secretary Suman Singh Health Services Manipur gi Director Dr. N Hemanta Kumar TAN Hills ki Director Rangnamai Rang Peter, Family Welfare Services ki Director Dr. N Bino Amadi, NHM Manipur gi State Mission Director Dr. M Dinesh na Maru Oba Mitholen Singh oina sarukyaki. Thauram aduga mari leinana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai. Manipur asi chingna chada marifutara oiba aduga tamna chada tara oiba lamdamni ana layenge ayamba khudong chaba asi chingi mafamdage tamgi mafamdana hena phangba oi masi haiduna chingda ana layenge khudong chaba phangde haiba nate chingi manung hanjinba mafam singda leiriba miyamna ana layenge damak lakpada khudong chadaba kaya mayok nariba asi ngasi gi lamthariba mobile medical unit asina kharada oirabasu mateng oiragani Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi asanba miyeng asina manung hanjinba mafamda leiriba Miyamda ana layengi lamda achauba ngaklau ama piragani haina mahangna makhataki.
Masigi aina flag up to luxury si isam samna Manipur gi jaga si singna 90% ni valley na 10% ni so the maximum medical facilities healthcare medical facilities koi valley da leiba ana sing da leite haibonate ado sagi yamna remote area sing dudi sagi treatment to lakpa khudong chadaba mayam du masigi Bharat ke Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji ki asan mi sina masi kharada wasu mateng pangmang magni habi thajabaduni
Thauram aduga mari leinana Health and Family Welfare gi Commissioner cum Secretary Suman Singh na hai paikhatliba thaushil asi Assam gi mathangda Manipur na North East region da anishuba state oiri paikhatliba thaurang asi PM Janman gi makhada Mobile Medical Unit MMU ahum amadi DA Jaguwa gi makhada MMU tara Kangpokpi, Sanapati, Tamenglong, Ukrul, Chandel, Kamjong, Fairjol, None, Tengnongpal, Amadi, Churachandpur District ki Block Tarat Tarukta, Sizin Nanabat, Laubani, Unit Asina, Manung Hanjinba, Mapam Singda Lairiba, Miyamda, Ana Layengi Lamda, Achauba Kudong Jaba, Ama Piragani, Tazay, Haina, Mahangna Makataki.
So they will be stationed, they will be at the disposal of CMO. Wherever it is required and our health facilities are not available, they will go, treat and come back. They can station there. So they are quite flexible, quite versatile. No, I mean, there's, in general, at times we do see shortage. There's a matter of redistribution also at times. We know the kind of difficulties everybody knows. So it's not that the essential requirements are being fulfilled, but there are norms and standard. According to that, we do feel shortage at times. No, this is launching of 13 mobile medical units under PM Dajgua program, PM Janman and Dajgua program. These are the mobile health facilities where there is a doctor, there is a nurse, there is lab technician, all the testing facilities are there, blood, ECG, all essential drugs are there. They will go move around in the hill areas, treat people at their doorstep, and they will be adding to almost 19-20% additional PHC type facility in the state.